the Pro Coder, the Summit, and in today's video, we are going to see how to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10. So in this tutorial, first you need to check, first things which you need to know is whether your PC is designed to hold Windows 11 or not, and what are its basic requirements. Okay, so first of all, you need a web browser, that is the Google, or it, or originally the Windows company itself gives an update to you whether you can update or not. So for that, you need a web browser, or you can go to the system settings and update from there. So I have here a web browser, that is the Google Chrome, and take out your Google account and then just search for Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft or Windows 11, that's much more better. So Windows 11, and it's loading. So here you can see the two options, which is the upgrade to the new Windows 11 OS, which is the official website here, and download Windows 11. So you have to click on this option here. So Windows 11. I'll drop down the link there in the description box, so don't worry. So this is the Windows 11. So I have already taken. Let's cut it here. So Windows 11. Now it's there are three options for installing. So first, if you're installing on your main PC, this option is what you want, and create this all are for different things like media. If you are trying to download it for some other person, then you can first download it on your pen drive, and then with that you can download it on another PC. So first, the most important thing which you will be doing is the Windows 11 installation assistant. So you have to click on download now option. Okay, so before that, so now here it will be get downloaded here, the file extension. So but before that, the main thing which you need to check is whether your PC is designed or is capable of holding Windows 11. So these are the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. So how can you check whether your PC is compatible with Windows 11 or not? See here, it requires a PC with two or more cores, or memory 4 GB RAM, storage 64 GB, system firmware. All laptops or PCs coming from 2020 or 2016 will be having this. Then TPM and all. Graphics card is not much important. Display resolutions and all much more advanced laptops which you have bought now. And internet connection is much more very important. So let's check if we have this processor, memory and storage. So for that, we need to go to bar, click on Task Manager here, and it's opening. So the Task Manager will open up here. As you can see here, Task Manager. And after that, what you have to do is click on Performance. Okay. So in Performance, CPU, you can see here, cores, it is of 2 cores. So here also the processor, it is asking 2 or more cores. Here I'm having 2 cores. Then memory and all, I am having here memory and storage. So that's all sufficient. So main thing which you need to check here is the core one, which I'm having. So you have to also check whether your core is there or not. So you can cut here, and then the also there's one more option to download here. So you have to click on the start button and just search for update. So there will be an option check for update. Click on it, open, and Windows update. So previously I had an update I was going to do it, but I paused it for some reason. So there it will ask you for Windows update. Okay. So this PC, yeah, see my it's showing me this PC can run. I have paused it here. This PC can run Windows 11 and learn about Windows 11. And so actually I have paused here, or else it will get downloaded. So there will be an option like download, and it will get downloaded here. So now my file has been downloaded. Click on open. Okay, so after clicking on open, the installer will open, and let's see. So the drop down box has appeared here, and it shows you an agreement here which you have to click on accept and install. You normally holds the simple agreement. You just have to click on accept and install, and you can, if you wish, you can read all these agreements. Now click on the button accept and install. This is the first step of downloading. It actually depends on your internet connection. I am having a much greater internet connection. It happened very quickly, the step one. Step two is also takes up a lot of internet. The step three of installation is very much big. It takes nearly 4 to 5 hours. Now I'll show you the after how this Windows 11 looks after upgrading from Windows. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then click on the like button, and if you are new to the channel and are willing to get more content similar to this, then click on the subscribe button down there.